Today I'm going to start on a project that I've been looking forward to. We're going to take this old 250 4x6 Polaris and put a 13 horsepower Predator engine in it. I had that centrifugal clutch laying around. Went and bought that. Spent more on that than I actually spent on the Wheeler 3 or 4 years ago. And we're going to take it, put it in this fine ride. Just test fitting some tracks. That'll be a later edition. For now, we're just going to see if we can't make an engine fit in there and work and make it function properly. The reason I picked that engine, A, it's cheap, B, it's got electric start. Have to have electric start around here with the girls running all the equipment. They just don't have enough to pull on the rope. I wish they did. It'd make my life so much easier. So hopefully this thing will be good and reliable, be able to jump on it, hit the button, drive away. Time will tell, but that's the plan. So we'll start by tearing this thing apart. Get the old engine out, make a hole for the new one to fit in, and hopefully see if we can't make it run. See how far we get today. Nice thing about this thing is it's got a nice place to put all the tools. Or parts rather, not tools. Alright, now that we got that out, we got to take some of the extra goodies off of this and make it fit in there. Exhaust can come off, gas tank can come off, all this gobbledygook can come off. So let's lighten up the load a little. So there you have it. Torn down to the point where I think I can make it fit in there. This might be really interesting. a few more things I can trim off this engine and make it fit a little better, so I'm going to go ahead and do that and see if we can make it fit better. I'll turn it back now. Probably at some point should have started this thing and see how it ran. Well, this is where we're at. Just kind of sitting in there. I want to wait until I have a belt that is ordered before I finalize any engine mounts or really even make any engine mounts. To make sure that what I got going on is going to work, so I don't waste a bunch of time building stuff that I'm going to have to throw in the garbage and build something different. So, until engine mounts show up, or not engine mounts, until the belt shows up, this is where it's at. That's all for now.